from Crystal Crafts with Dee. I have a small unboxing to do for you today. This one is from OneDaySaving. So they sent me an email and a couple of links and asked me if I would like to review these products on my YouTube channel. And I said, sure, why not? They look pretty awesome. So I've only just got these guys in. And what I've done is I've just cut the bag there so I don't have to struggle on camera. I haven't peeked or anything. So anyway, we will get into it. So I have one diamond painting and I have one very interesting product. So I'll get started with this one first. I'll pop him over there. So I have on their website, they have several different kinds of rhinestone ribbon. So it's called Rhinestone Strip Self-Adhesive Ribbon. And they have quite a few different colors that you can choose from. I just chose this one. But they've got crystal gold, gold, black, colorful AB, and silver. So I just chose this one. Ooh, it's like sticky. It looks kind of interesting through the packet. Like I can't, oh my god, I think, that's sticky. So this is 2.5 centimeters wide and 1 meter long. Golly, that's sticky. So that's what it looks like on the roll. And oh, I didn't know it had colors through it. I just thought it was gold. Oh yeah, well it makes sense. No, crystal blue. I thought it was colorful AB. Anyway, so that's it there. Wow, look at that. I didn't know it had colors sprinkled through it. So I'm just trying to see. It's flat. It looks like it's pokey outy, but it is flat. Oh, that's really cool. Really sticky. So I'm just gonna say they had quite a, yeah, like the other colors there, but I thought this one would be just something a little bit different, and I wondered how sticky it was. So I don't know if they'll come off or not. I'll peel back a little bit and see how sticky it is. Oh my goodness, it's sticky. Hang on, it's stuck on itself. Okay. So it is a little bit smelly, that'd be the adhesive, but it's not too bad. So if I pull that back, so how do you unstick it? So I thought this would be really good to use as part of your framing, like, you know, on the outside edges of your diamond painting. It's sort of like, you can use it as a decorative border for all sorts of things. Oh, there we go. I got it off. Okay, that's what it looks like on the back. So it's clear. And it is super sticky, wowzers. Well, I don't think those are going to come off anytime soon. That's really sticky. That's fantastic. I'd love to get one of each color because that'd be kind of cool to have. Now, I don't think those guys are going to come off at all, but look at those colors. Wow, look at that shine. And it sort of looks like it should be sort of jagged and lumpy on top, but it's not. It's flat. So I was thinking with this, you could use it sort of to do as a border around your diamond paintings, or like if you buy, whoop, oh, he's jumped ship. I lost one. I'd say he's from right on this very end. I thought that'd be good to sort of put on, you know, you can get sort of MDF craft supplies where you can get like, make your own jewelry boxes, your own, where it sort of comes made, you just decorate them, sort of paint them, that sort of thing. jewelry boxes, glasses, cases, coasters, placemats, that sort of thing. So I don't have any at the moment, but I was kind of thinking it'd be kind of cool to sort of do it as like edging on it, or you could sort of line them all up and do it all the way across. Yeah, there's just so much you can use it for, like your glasses case. You can sort of bling it up a bit, decorate your glasses case. Yeah, my gosh, the possibilities are endless. And this stuff is super sticky, so I don't reckon that'll be coming off anytime soon. So that is fantastic. So that is 2.5 centimeters wide and 1 meter long, this strip is. So that is really, really pretty. Look how shiny that is. That's incredible. I wouldn't mind getting some of the other colors. That's gorgeous. I love that. Beautiful. So they have that on their website, and you just choose whatever color you want. So next up, I have one diamond painting. So this didn't come in a bubble bag. Oh, here we go. Just in your clear, excuse me, plastic wrapping. So this is one of, I think there's 6 different designs. Oh, I can't get it off. No, I'm pulling the wrong thing off. Oh. Okay, oh, it's really struggling today. Okay, so this is a partial 30 by 30 centimeter special drill upside down bird. There we go. 30 by 30. A little diamond painting. They have 6 different designs that you can choose from. I just chose this one, and I wouldn't mind getting a few more actually because they're super cute. So in this kit you've got just your standard toolkit, and you've got your drills. So I found this bag squished in my mailbox, and it was flat as a tack, but that actually doesn't look too bad. That will flatten out very easily under books, and it's a very soft sort of canvas. I'm noticing a lot of these diamond paintings now are not quite as thick, and they're sort of a little bit more flexible, which means they sort of flatten out a lot easier. So I'll be popping this under books, but anyway, this is just so cute. Nice little partial. That up so it'll sit a bit flatter, and by pulling that plastic back you're just gonna help that canvas relax a bit. Oh, that is so adorable. I love that. Alright, so we'll zoom in. So in we go. Have a look at that drill field. So you got a few different shapes of drills, it looks like, on there, but I'm not seeing any issues with that drill field. That looks really, really good. It's a good size too. That is gorgeous. So I'll bring you over to the symbol key. So we have 19 different drills. 19. That's a lot for such a small diamond painting. It's got your standard symbols there, no issues. A couple of marquees it looks like, and we've got a teardrop down the bottom there. Teardrop. Some bigger rounds, but that is a really beautiful clear drill field. No problem at all. That looks awesome. So we'll zoom you back out again. There we go. And we'll have a look at those drills. That's just really soft, that canvas. That's so awesome. So your drills come in your standard pack. We'll start with number 19 and work our way back. So we have some black rounds. We have some large green, emerald green marquees. Gee, they're pretty. It's such a deep color. It's gorgeous. We've got some larger round gold. Beautiful clear AB rounds, and I love how they have that flower design in the middle. That is so gorgeous. Some medium sized gold drills. You got some that matching green in your rounds. Really pretty pinky orange. That's just my son's phone going off. All right, you got some, these are AB sort of frosted round drills. They're cool. And you have some clear marquees. So I'm looking at the backs of those drills and they look really good. Really, really good actually. We've got some absolutely gorgeous soft pink marquees. They are gorgeous. They got quite a bit of shine to them, these drills. They're looking really good. Check the backs out on them though. Not a mark on them. And you got your normal rhinestones. So you've got some orangey yellow, gorgeous purple. They're looking fabulous. Some of that beautiful green. And some AB whites. One of my favorite drills actually. I love these guys. And have sort of like a champagne color. And those drills are fabulous. Like a peachy color. Pretty, pretty pink. Pretty. Green. And you got some black AB. So you got quite a bit of sparkle happening there. And those drills are really, really good. Flip it back over again. So that's the one that I chose. The other designs I will show you now so you can have a look at all the different designs. I had a hard time picking because I wanted them all. But yeah, I'll pop them in there now. Okay, so that's my latest package. I can't think. My latest package from OneDaySaving. It's just a small unboxing, but it's a good one. So I've got my beautiful little hummingbird, and I have this gorgeous self-adhesive rhinestone tape. Absolutely love that. So I will be showing you in a future video, not too far down the track, of how I go with this diamond painting here and show you how it comes up. I reckon it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. So keep your eyes peeled for that video in the not too distant future. And thank you so much, OneDaySaving, for sending me out these products to review. I can't wait to get stuck into it. I'm really going to start applying this to some of those ideas that I have. So I will be showing you how I went with that as well. Some of my other ideas for that. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye.